This is quite an unusual ring a customer has brought into us. They're looking to have it redesigned. It is quite impressive. Each stone is just under half a carat, but they had it made a number of years ago and it just never was what they expected. And as you can see, it's quite clunky. It really is quite a basic construction. You have your collets holding in each stone, set out in a line, and all just soldered together. Not really much design, not really much quality of craft or execution in it, but nonetheless it's an impressive big diamond ring. Stones are quite nice in it, so we've been tasked with the challenge of redesigning it, coming up with a new concept, but obviously we have kind of parameters with the type of stones we're using, and we want something contemporary, and we're just going to create something pretty magnificent. So can't wait to give you an update on how this one progresses. We've already done a few little sketches and the client's very happy with the concept. So if you have any jewellery which you want to get redesigned, we'd love to hear from you. You can get in touch with us on campbelljewelers.com and we can take it from there. But I think the end result of this ring is going to be pretty spectacular. It'll be chalk and cheese between this design and what we finish up with. Talk to you soon.